Hey guys, Mrs. Tucker here. So we are beginning our robotics and coding unit, and I am really excited for this unit. I think it is so much fun, and I hope you do too. All right, so let's get started. So I need you to head over to our curriculum. So as a reminder, you'll go into your class link and click on the PLTW app. And once you do that, I'll take you right to our curriculum, to the home page. I need you to scroll down. Robotics and coding is unit 3. We're going to click on lesson 3.1, machine control. And we're going to start at the very beginning with inputs and outputs. So we're going to click 3.1.1. And we are doing this from home. So we are going to click the distance learning link. So if you click right here in the middle of the page, perfect. So throughout the assignments of week 2, it's going to ask you to revisit this page. You're going to go back and you're going to read through this page, and you're going to complete the assignments on the page. So here's a quick sneak peek of the robot that you'll be programming. Now I'm going to start with this video with VEXcode VR, clicking on this link. So I think that the hardest part about learning how to code is the platform in which you're coding. So every coding language has a specific platform that you code in. And then this is what VEXcode VR's platform looks like. So I just wanted to show you around and give you some quick tips on how to code and how to create the program that will run your robot. So when you open the VEXcode VR page, it always comes up to this page. It always has this introductory tutorial. I'm going to close that real quick, and I'm going to show you where to access the rest of the tutorials. So at the top of the page, the little light bulb with the word tutorial. If you click on that, it opens up a page with several tutorials. So if you need help or get stuck, this is where you need to go. Of course, you can always ask me if you need more help. Perfect. The next part of the page I want us to look at is the code tab. So the code tab are the commands that you will give your robot. Starts off with drivetrain, there's a magnet command, looks, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, my blocks, and comments. So you can access the different commands by clicking on the different buttons, or you can always scroll down with the scroll bar and you can see all the different commands as well. All programs start with a when started block. If you don't have a when started block, the program doesn't know when to start, so all programs start there. In the middle, right here, is how you will name and save your program. So please make sure you always save your program with your last name first. No worries if you forget that. I indicated that in all of the directions, so you'll have plenty of reminders. Over here is the playground. That's important because the playground are the different backgrounds in which your robot will run. So when you click on playground, it opens up to the grid map. Click on the drop-down menu. It has the different types of backgrounds. Within each part of the lessons, it will tell you which background to choose. I'm going to choose wall maze just for this tutorial. Let it load. I'm going to scoot it over here. Perfect. So I'm just going to do a quick program so you can see how it works. So here's my robot, and I want my robot to move out of its starting area. So you have a couple different ways to view your robot as well. Right now it's on bird's eye view, looking down on the whole course. I can change it by clicking this, and this is the view as if you were sitting in the robot. There's a different view of behind the robot, but I like bird's eye view because I can see the entire course. Perfect. So I want my robot to move out of the starting area. So I'm going to head over here to my codes, and I am going to grab this block, the drive forward block. So to grab a block, you're going to click, hold, and drag. So in order for the command to be read, I have to connect it to my when started block. So all the blocks that you pull over from the coding tab needs to be connected in order for the program to be read. Excellent. So every time I add a block, Sometimes I add 2 or 3 blocks. I always want to test it to make sure it's working. So I can always hit the play button and it will run through my program. So if I hit play, oh perfect, it moved forward. I have a timer that times how long my programs take. So it did exactly what I wanted it to do. It drove forward. I'm going to stop, and then I can reset and it will go back. I can play it again if I wanted to see what it did. Perfect. I'm going to stop. Now I can always change this if I wanted to. What if I want my robot to go in reverse? And then I can play and it will back up. Backed right off the course. And then I can hit reset. My robot will reappear. So all of our codes are to the left. You will click, hold, and drag. Now, if I click, held, and dragged a block over, but I did not connect it, the program will not be read. This part won't be read. So you have to make sure that it's connected in order for the robot to process it. If I don't want something, I can click, hold, and I can drag it back over there, and it'll go back over to its home base. So that is your introduction to the VEXcode VR platform. I hope you enjoy coding. It is really a lot of fun, and there's a lot of programs and a lot of different courses that you'll be challenged with. So I need you to head back to our Schoology page, back into week 2. And then work on the assignments that are listed. And please make sure you work on them in order. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.